Realme keyboard tweaks that you should try. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will see some of the awesome Realme keyboard tweaks using Gboard that will make your typing faster and smarter, perfect for chatting, texting or productivity. So without further delay, let's see some of the tweaks. First one, swipe to type. Instead of tapping on the text, you can simply slide your finger across the letter to form a word. So for example, tap on the letters, and if I want to write good night, I just simply drag my finger to the text or to the letter and I can make a word. So there you go. Now I have the word simply by sliding the finger across the letters to form the word. So that was the first tweak. Now the second tweak is one-handed mode. If you tap and hold on your comma key on the keyboard and then slide to the hand icon, now you have the one-handed mode keyboard and the keyboard will swing to one side. And the third tweak is Emoji Shortcut. Tap on the emoji icon, then if you tap on the search bar at the top, now you could search for your preferred emoji. If you tap on angry here, now you have the emoji. Now the next tweak is voice typing. Tap the mic icon on the keyboard and make sure that you have enabled the voice or microphone permission, and if you have enabled, you could simply speak to type fast, which is for quick replies or note taking. Now for the faster punctuation, if you long press on your period key here you can have access for the quick punctuation mark on this as well. So these are some of the keyboard tweaks that will help you to make your typing faster. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.